In this video, we are going to talk about soil in general and about soil problems such as erosion, acid rains, nuclear power plants and their effect on the soil. After our presentation about Croatia, our friends from Denmark will talk about soil problems in Denmark. You are probably asking yourself, where is Croatia? Croatia is a small country known to its beautiful and clean sea, astonishing national parks, forests, and giant agricultural surfaces situated in East Croatia. What is soil? Soil is the mixture of minerals, organic matter, gases, and liquids. Erosion is a process by which soil and rock are removed from the Earth's surfaces and then transferred and deposited in other locations. Human activities increased erosion by 10 to 40 times the rate at which erosion is occurring globally. It causes problems like desertification or decreases in agricultural productivity due to land degradation. Yes, Croatia has a power plant. Actually, Croatia is a co-owner of nuclear power plant Krško, situated in Slovenia. The problem with nuclear power plants is the nuclear waste disposal, and a significant amount of money has to be spent on the environmental security. Nuclear waste is disposed in safe containers and buried in the soil. But what if that radioactive thing leaked out of the container? It could contaminate our soil and all of the Croatian waters that are safe to drink. Acid rains appear because of the exhaust gases, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from factories and traffic. Acid rains expose trees to toxic substances released from the soil because they dissolve heavy metals in the ground. Acid rains are not a big problem in Croatia because industry is not developed, so there is not so much pollution. We can improve soil quality by investing in buying factory filters, we can stop using herbicides and pesticides, and we can properly recycle our waste. Croatia is investing lots of money in recycling and protecting our flora and fauna. Choice is ours. We can make our future happier, cleaner and healthier, or we can retain our old habits. Now, our friends from Denmark will present their presentation.
What is soil? Soil is the top layer and it's made of mineral particles like clay, sand, gravel and stone. Organic substance like living organisms and dead organic substance. It also contains water and air.
What is soil contamination? Soil contamination is when the soil contains different things that isn't healthy for the whole world, like plants, people or animals. It can be many different things like oil or different kinds of chemicals.
What causes it? Soil contamination can occur because of companies or industries that have used a lot of chemicals. It can also occur if there are leaky oil tanks.
Which effects does it make on the soil? When the soil is contaminated, it can go down to the subsurface and then to the groundwater gets contaminated too. If the soil is contaminated in the top layer, it can be unhealthy to be around it.
How do we try to control soil contamination? In Denmark, each region has to find out where there is contaminated and they have to clean the area. If you have bought a house and you didn't know that the area around the house is contaminated, you can get help from a loss of value agreement. When they clean the soil for chemicals, they use steam. There is 800 to 1000 degrees.